Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to slice a brisket. There are a number of different ways that you can slice a brisket. The method that I'm going to be showing you here is for your standard brisket slicing. Now, the very first thing you want to do is you want to identify where your flat and your round part are on your brisket. The flat is the lean part, and the point, which is the round part, is your moist part. Once you identify that, what I like to do is I like to cut it right around the center so we can separate that moist part from that lean part. Get yourself a really good slicing knife. Make sure it's sharpened, and you're gonna cut it right down the middle so we can separate those two parts. So once you have cut it right down the middle, separate your moist part from your lean part, and then we're just gonna go and cut the flat part in half. This is gonna make it easier, especially if you don't have a long slicing knife like the way I have. It'll make it easier for you to cut the brisket. Now remember, this is the lean part, and on the very top, and I didn't do it on the first part, but on the very top of your lean part, it's gonna have a really nice bark. If you've been smoking it for a while, it'll have a good bark on it. You would probably want to flip it over and cut it from where the fat cap is, but for this purpose, I just went ahead and I sliced it from where all the bark is. It's a little bit tougher to get through because it does have a nice little bark on it. Now, one of the things that I'm doing here is I am slicing it a little bit thicker than I normally would. This is just for my family. There's about 4 or 5 people that are going to be eating this brisket, so I don't have to make really thin slices. When you're doing this, you can do it one of two ways. You can slice it the way I am and just give like pretty much one piece per person. You have a good healthy set serving on that one piece, or you can slice it a little thinner if you want to make it last a little bit longer, or render a little bit longer for more people in your party. And the reason that I'm cutting them like this also is just to kind of keep it more aesthetic, because if like, let's say I was going to be giving this if I'm making this as to cater, I like to cut them like this so that it looks prettier on the serving plate, so that we try to keep the brisket together at the same time that it has decent amount of slices. So I mean, you can still see it's a pretty thick piece of meat. Again, this is the lean part, so there's not going to be too much give on it. A nice little smoke ring on it. Once you're done with that, you can remove this part. Unless you have a pretty big cutting board, you can leave it there, but for the most part, normal size cutting boards, you're gonna have to put this set aside so that we can tackle the point, which is your moist part. All right, once you have your moist part in front of you, you do want to give it a slice about 2 inches, more or less 2.5 inches. Again, this is a tough part of the top part. This is the top part of the brisket, which is not where the fat cap is, so you might struggle a little bit. And the moist part, it kind of like tends to fall apart on you, so this is going to be kind of difficult to keep it in slices. Usually what you want to do with these is you want to chop them. So what I did here is I turned it around where the fat cap was. It's a lot easier to slice because you're not having to go through the bark. On this one, all you're looking for is trying to go against the grain whenever you're slicing. You always want to cut against the grain, and flipping it over so that we get to where the fat cap was makes it a lot easier to cut. And I'm gonna also cut these in thicker parts, like healthy servings. If you're doing this for more people, you would want to cut a little bit smaller, but it just makes it a lot easier, a lot faster for me. If I'm only doing it for not too many people, it's a lot easier for me just to cut and serve and not have to spend too much time slicing this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.